First of all, look at this video on your screen.
Two things can happen. Either you give up completely or you change your strategy. If you give up completely, that's fine. But if you change your strategy, two things can happen. Either you still get no results or you finally make your first sale. If you still get no results, that's fine. But if you finally make your first sale, two things can happen. Either you reinvest all the profit back into the business or you take the money and celebrate. If you take the money and celebrate, that's fine. But if you reinvest everything, two things can happen. Either you scale too fast.
This TikTok channel is called Two Things Can Happen. This channel has 94.3K followers and more than 2.1 million likes. If you check their videos, many of them have 1.2 million, 1.3 million views, while some have only thousands. But most of their content performs very well. The reason is their strategy. They create story-based videos with an enemy, a problem, and a very clickable storyline. Each video is about 1 minute long and made in a simple cartoon style. These videos are watched by kids and young audiences, and the average watch time is very high. So today, I'm going to show you how we can make these types of videos. But we are not going to make them for TikTok. We are going to make them for YouTube, because YouTube earnings are much higher than TikTok. As you can see on the screen, you just watched a video that I created myself.
Walked a boy who had nothing but dreams he couldn't afford. One day, fate stopped him. A bag full of money, enough to change his life or destroy it. His hands trembled, his heart battled. Easy, money, or honest struggle. That night, in a silent room, he made a choice. Not to spend, not to run, but to build. Days turned into nights, sweat turned into hope, failures turned into lessons. He was still poor, still tired, still wearing the same old clothes.
Now I'll show you exactly how I made it. Today we will use free AI tools to generate both images and videos. And the TikTok channels using this strategy are earning a lot, not just hundreds of dollars, but thousands. But if we apply the same strategy on YouTube, we can earn even more than that. So let's start the video. So first of all, guys, I have provided a link in the description. I will give you the link in the description. You need to open the Microsoft document file. Guys, I have already prepared a master prompt for you. This master prompt is all in one. First, it includes the environment. Then, it includes the character. After that, it is divided into part 1 and part 2. In part 1, there are 10 image prompts. In part 2, there are 10 video prompts. The character is fully consistent. We have defined the anime style, and we have also added a slight old style look similar to the TikTok channel we analyzed. Now, what you need to do is simple. Copy the master prompt. Then go to ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, paste the prompt into the chat box and click Generate. When you click Generate, ChatGPT will provide you 10 image prompts, 10 video prompts with a consistent character. We will use these for image and video generation. It may also provide story scenes, but we will generate the voiceover separately at the end. As you can see, the image and video prompts are now ready. The next step is image generation, so don't skip the video. The next tool we are going to use is Whisk AI. We have already used it before. It creates very good anime-style images, especially in Ghibli-style looks, which is why I'm using it. Simply open the website and log in. Then copy the first image prompt and paste it there. Select the ratio 9:16 and click Generate. Once you click Generate, your first image will be ready within seconds. As you can see, our first image is ready and looks amazing, just like the TikTok channel style. Now keep the main consistent character. Prompt the same. Then paste the second image prompt and click Generate. Within seconds, the second image will be ready. It looks amazing and the character style is consistent. Now I will generate the third image the same way. Copy the prompt, paste it, click Generate. Then repeat the same process for the 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th images. I will skip this part. As you can see, all our images are now ready. Now download the best images and save them, because the next step is video generation. For video generation, download CapCut, open CapCut, and go to the AI video option. I will show you the free method. When you open CapCut and go to AI video, you will see different models. Many of them offer 1 or 2 free generations per user. Using those free generations, we can complete our full video. Now import your image, then go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Paste the video prompt into CapCut. Select the model, select duration, select ratio, then click Generate. Within 1 or 2 minutes, your video will be ready. As you can see, the boy is walking, and it looks very beautiful and amazing. Now I will generate the second video. This time I will use a different model, like SD 1.0, which gives free generations. I repeat the same process for all videos. I will skip this part. Now all our videos are generated using different models. The next step is voiceover. For voiceover, again go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a voiceover script. ChatGPT will give you a 40-second to 1-minute voiceover. Copy that script. Then go to the AI voice option. Select text to speech. Choose any voice you like. For example, I will select Josh voice. Paste the script and click generate. Within seconds, your voiceover will be ready. Now the final and most important step is editing. Editing is very important. If your editing is not good, your video will not go viral because the average view duration will drop. Import all videos into CapCut. Import the voiceover as well. First, place the voiceover on the timeline, then add the videos one by one and adjust them according to the voice. Keep the video simple. Do not over-edit. Add simple transitions. Add slight color effects. You can also add light video effects and audio effects. Finally, export the video in Full HD or 4K Ultra HD. And here is our final result. As you can see, the video looks simple, amazing, and very nice. In another video, I will show you how to create a full channel in this niche, including channel setup, thumbnail design, banner creation, and SEO settings. Upload one short video daily in this format. You will see how your channel grows. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.